Hello students, how are you? Student, in today's lecture we will talk about type 4 of train problems, that is about when two trains travel in opposite direction. The statement says that the time for which two trains moving in opposite directions will completely pass each other is given by. Means we have two trains and they are moving in each other's direction, and we have to find the time, like at what time when both of the trains will pass each other. So its formula is given by we have to add the length of the two trains, and we have to divide it by the relative speed of both. Okay, now let's see a particular example. The example says that two trains 90 and 110-meter long approach each other from opposite directions at 54 and 90 km per hour. That means we are given the length of the two trains and we are given the relative speed. Okay, how long do they take to completely pass each other? Like we have to determine the time when they will pass each other. Now students, let's write what is given to us. We are given the length of the two trains, so we can suppose that the length of the first train is 90 meter and the length of a second train is 110 meter. Okay, and their speed is like v1 is equal to 54 km per hour, and the relative speed of the other train is 90 km per hour. Now students, as the formula says that T is equal to L1 plus L2 is divided by V1 plus V2. So we will substitute all these values here. So I can write 90 plus 110. But student, here is a problem. The problem is this, that our lengths are in meter but our speed is in kilometer per hour, and we have to convert it in meter per second. So what we will do now, like if I add both of these, then I will get 54 plus 90 kilometer per hour. Like I am determining the relative speed, and then I will just substitute this value here in this formula. Okay, now it is equal to 144 km per hour, and if I want to convert in meter per second, then I will write 144 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 because it is in kilometer. And we have, if we want to convert it in meter, then we have to multiply it with 1000. And if I want to convert it in seconds, then definitely I have to multiply it with 60 multiplied by 60, because in 1 hour we have 60 minutes and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Okay, now students, if we simplify it further, then I will get 40 meter per second. Okay, so this is the relative speed, so I will divide it with 40. Now students, if I simplify it further, then I will get 200 if I add both of them, and it is divided by 40, and I will get here 5 seconds. So students, this is the required answer that we are asked to find. So the two trains 90 and we can say, we can reiterate our question as two trains 90 and 110 meter long approach one another from opposite directions at 54 and 90 km per hour in 5 seconds. Okay, and this is your desired answer. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you so much.